Hey, welcome back to Always Audrea. I'm your host Audrea, and tonight I have a very small Dollar Tree haul and Temu haul combined. So I'm going to start off with Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree on my lunch break today, and I found these adorable little stationery sets. They're by ink. It's one set. You get 80 sheets of the post-it notes or sticky notes, a pen topper, and a pen. And this one is of the dolphin. That is so cute. And then I found the kitty one. Again, the same things. Let's see. Pen topper, sticky notes, and block notes. What is that? I think that's just a different language for something else. But you get the pen and the pen topper and the sticky notes as well. And then also I found the cutest little monkey set. Again, the same, I was going to say same ingredients. The same items in the pack. And these were, I want to say they were $1.25. Okay. So I found that, and that's all I found at Dollar Tree. And like I said, I was on my lunch hour. I didn't have a whole lot of time. And then from Temu, I don't know if this will even show up all in the camera or not. So let's see what this is. I know what it is, but you don't. I've been staying off of Temu for about 2 years, I think. But I went on there, I think it was last week or so, and I saw this, and it was just so pretty, at least in the pictures it was. And I believe this is, oh my, I think this is a 16 by 20. Before I take it out, let's measure it. Let's see, 12, okay, it's about 24 inches. They had different sizes. They had about 8 different sizes. Okay, it's about 24 by 17 inches. I'm probably wrong on that using a ruler. But like I said, they had lots of different sizes in this. And it is on a print canvas. Okay, it has this measurement right here. 16 by 24 frame. I thought this was just so different. I have to put it like this so you can see it. Let me take the camera down. I thought this was just so different, and I really liked it. It's like an abstract-y rendition of The Last Supper. And they did have different sizes, and this is on Temu.com. I think it was Temu US part. I just thought that was so neat. I think this was like $15 for this size. I just thought that was so pretty and so neat. So different. A different version of The Last Supper. Alright guys, I want to thank you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, comment. That still sounds weird. And share. Hit that hype button. There is also a thanks button on there. Yeah, not too long of a video, not too big of a haul, but yeah, there it is. Okay, let's see. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.